In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable phone number on your Squarespace website. By the end, your visitors will be able to tap your number on mobile and call you instantly, which is great for conversions and support. First, open your Squarespace site and navigate to the page or section where you want the phone number to appear. This could be your home page, contact page, header, or footer. Enter edit mode so you can make changes to the content on the page. Next, add a new block where you want the number to live. Choose the text block from the block picker. This gives you a simple area to type your number or a short call to action, like call us or call our team. Go ahead and type the text you want to display. If you want the phone number to stand out, you can style it now. With the text selected, use the text toolbar to choose a style such as Heading 1 for a bold, prominent look or paragraph for a more subtle appearance. Pick the style that fits your design. With your text still selected, look for the link icon in the text toolbar and click it to open the link settings. In the link window, switch to the phone option. If you see a URL field first, that's okay. Just select phone from the available link types. Now enter your full business number in the field. For best results, include the country code so callers outside your region can reach you easily. Keep the number clean and consistent with how you want it to appear to visitors. You can choose whether the text on the page shows the number itself or a short label like call. If you want a label, adjust the visible text in the editor to say call or call us, and keep the actual number only in the phone link field. Confirm the link to apply it. Take a moment to review the formatting. If you made it a heading but want it smaller, switch it back to a paragraph style. If it needs more emphasis, change it back to a heading. When everything looks good, save your changes. To finish, preview the page. On desktop, clicking the link will prompt your computer's calling app. On mobile, it will open the phone dialer with your number ready to call. If you don't see the tap to call behavior, double-check that the link type is set to phone and that the number is entered correctly.